Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Web Knowledge. Now this is a tutorial for beginners who want to learn Laravel. I'm going to show everything step by step so that every beginner whoever watching this video will be able to understand everything really easily. Now let's just talk about what we are going to get in this tutorial series. Here you can see that we have a total of 8 entry over here. Now in this first tutorial we will see how we can install Laravel and then create a Laravel project. Now in the second tutorial I am going to talk about route, view, controller, then model and database. At the third part we are going to see how we can insert data to database in Laravel, and the next video we will see how we can show those data from the database. At the fifth video we will see how we can delete the data from database in Laravel. We will also see how we can search, we can update, and at the last video we will see how we can create a login and registration in Laravel. So this tutorial series will be a total 8 video long, and I will give the tutorial playlist at the end of this video so that you can just click over there and see all the video. So first of all let's get started with our first step, which is Laravel installation and setup. Now in order to create a Laravel project, first of all you need to have some software installed in your PC. Like you need to have XAMPP downloaded in your PC. Now in order to download XAMPP, it's really simple. Just search for XAMPP, then just go to this link, download XAMPP, and if you go to that link you can see we have XAMPP for Windows, for Linux and Windows OS and so on. And I will always recommend you to always download the most latest version. And after once you install XAMPP, you need to download Composer. Here you can see, if you just search for Composer download and go to this link Composer, then just click over here download, it will take you to this page. Now here you can see composer setup.exe. If you are using Windows you can download it from here. If you just click it, it will automatically start downloading. So after composer, you also need to have Node.js installed in your PC as well. Just search for Node.js download, then click this link, and over here you can see recommend for most user. Here you can see Windows, Mac OS. Okay, just by clicking over here you can just download them. So once you have those three downloaded, you are ready to create a Laravel project. So let me just close this one as well. And in order to install Laravel in your device, all you have to do is that you just have to open a CMD. We can open CMD anywhere you want. Just type over here CMD and you will see a command prompt like this. Now let me just show you some command over here. Now in order to create a Laravel project, here you can see two steps. First of all, you will install the Laravel globally, and if you just write this command Laravel new and the project name, it will create a Laravel project. Or you can just write this command and it will automatically create a Laravel. So let me just show you how you can install Laravel globally. All you have to do is to write this command composer global require Laravel/installer. If you just copy it and if you just paste it inside the command prompt, and if you press enter, it will start downloading Laravel. Since I already have downloaded, so I'm going to close that. And after once this is installed, all you have to do is that run this command anywhere in your PC and a project will be created. Now let's say you have some problem running this command, then don't worry, you can also create a Laravel project using this command. Let me just show you how you can create a Laravel project. Let's just copy this command, Ctrl C, and I will also keep this command in the description so that you can copy it from there as well. So let's go back to our file over here. Now normally if you are creating a PHP project, what we need to do is that we need to go to inside XAMPP, then we have to go to htdocs and we had to create a project over here. But since if you are using Laravel, you don't have to do it. You can create a Laravel project anywhere you want. So I already create a folder over here called Laravel tutorial. Over here you can see. So let me just go inside, and inside this folder I am going to create a Laravel project. So all you have to do is that you just have to write over here CMD, and if you press enter, here you can see it opened a command prompt. And let me just copy this command over here. Let me just explain a little bit. Now composer create project Laravel/Laravel. Now it will create a Laravel project using our composer, and here you can see project name. So this is where you will give your project name. Okay, So let me just copy this, Control C, and I'll paste it over here. And let's say our project name will be Laravel, let's say beginner. And if we press enter, it will start creating a Laravel project. And it will take 5 to 10 minutes to create your Laravel project. So I'm going to pause this video for now. Now here you can see that our Laravel project is created. Now how we are going to run our Laravel project? Let me just minimize this one. So if you go back to your folder, and over here you can see a folder is created called Laravelbeginner, and if you go inside here you can see some new file which is automatically created by that command. Now if you want to run our project, all you have to do is that first of all you need to say over here cd, and then here you can see that our project name is Laravel Beginner. So we are going to say Laravel Beginner, and if you press enter, so here you can see it took us to this file location Laravel Beginner. Now all we have to do is that write php artisan serve, and if you press enter, we will be able to run our Laravel project. Now if we are a little bit confused about cd Laravel Beginner, don't worry, there is one more way, that is over here you can see that right now we are in our project folder. So all we have to do is that say over here cmd, and then say over here php artisan serve, the same command, and if you press enter, you will see something like this. Now let me just copy this on, Control C, and I'll paste it in my browser, Control V, and if you press enter, you'll be able to see something like this. This is the Laravel project that we just created. So this is all about this tutorial. I show you how we can install Laravel and create a Laravel project. So in the next tutorial, we'll talk about our route, view, controller, models, and database. I'll show you what everything does. So at the end of this video, I will give the video link for the second part, and I will also give the playlist link so that you can just directly or easily follow this tutorial. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe this channel, you will get notification for every single Laravel video that I upload, and you will be an expert in Laravel. So if you want to learn more Laravel, then subscribe this channel, and thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and stay healthy.